Well, this concludes our Lake Fork fishing trip. We might not make it back.
Really?
We might. But we're gonna stick this on this side. This is it. We'll make it back with this. We'll stick a propeller back in there, wherever the other piece went, and we'll go on from here. Hopefully we make it back home, anglers. Alright. Wish us luck. Alright. We are back in business. We gonna make it home. Goodbye, Lake Fork. Whew. Whew. Alright. We got ourselves a monster.
You want to weigh it? I think that's
skinny, but oh my goodness. Yeah.
what you got.
3.92 pounds.
4
Right
pounds.
under 4. Right there at 20, huh?
Okay. Good size. That's average too.
Woo. Woo.